Hello, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am going to be teaching you how to install Steam mods. Okay, I'm also going to be teaching you how to download a few mods and put them in the right place to ensure that you are able to join the convoys on time. Okay, so if this is you, please make sure you stick to the end of the video, because one of the things that are very important is to get the right mod and then the right version as we would use it, or if you are trying to join someone else's convoy as someone else would have them, because if you have the right mod but the incorrect version, you still cannot join that convoy. So let's get started. So you're gonna open up your Steam, and then when you open up your Steam application, it's gonna open to this page here. Okay, this is the store. So what you want to do is you want to hover over the community tab. This is not you clicking on it, okay? You're just hovering over it. Then this drop down list is gonna appear, and as it appears, you are going to click on workshop. Okay, when you get to workshop, then you're gonna go to this search for a workshop. When you get there, you search for Euro Truck Simulator 2. Okay, there we go, it's appeared, and then you search for it. So very important now is to make sure that you stick with me to the end, as you want to get the correct version of the mods, and make sure you are using the ones that we use in order for you not to be stuck in not joining the convoy. So the first one is called no damage, so you type no damage, okay, and you search for that. So these are not the ones that we use. The one that we use is this one here. So in order for you to subscribe to it or to add it to your game, what you will do is you go on it, and then at the bottom right corner you click on that plus. Okay, as you are clicking on that plus, you have already subscribed to the mod. The next step will be later on in terms of adding it to your game. That's correct. So the next one you search for it as well is called realistic truck physics. Okay, realistic truck physics. Okay, it would be so much better that as I am doing this, you are probably watching it on your phone and you are doing it with me as I am doing it right now. Okay, so you search for that one as well, and as you can see, I'm already subscribed to it, but let's do it so that you subscribe to it as well. The very important part is that it says realistic truck physics mod version 9.0.8. okay, as you can see, subscribe to it, and as you click on it, that tick, it means that you have subscribed to it. Okay, the next one we are going to search for is called Mortal and Cash. Okay, it's the sign and cash, not the word. Mortal and Cash, you search for it, there it is. Okay, maybe for you, if it does not appear as the first one on top, you look for this one. Okay, exactly as you see it, you click on the plus sign. When you click on it, you've already subscribed to it. It's going to appear in your game. Then the next one is called, that name that is very difficult to pronounce, but it is Constantine. Yeah, very powerful. Constantine Nidis, whatever it is. Okay, you can search for it like this. There we go, it is appearing. Constantinidis, open what, and there we go. You are also going to click on the plus sign. Okay, next one we are going to look for is sound fixes. Okay, we are going to type it as well. Sound fixes, very important. As I said earlier on, make sure you have got the correct version, because this is the one that we use. Or if you are trying to join any other convoy, make sure that you have got the version that they have in their particular convoy. Okay, so again, you'll click on the plus sign in order for you to add it to your game. Okay, then we are gonna go to the search bar again, and the next one you are going to look for is the Yara route advisor. Okay, Yara route advisor. There we go. You're gonna search for it. There it is, Yara, yet another route advisor. So what you want to do is, again, at the bottom right, click, okay, and it's gonna be added to your game. Is there another Steam mod that we normally use? We sometimes use okay, so the next one that we sometimes use, but this is not very often, but you can have it just in case we are using it on that particular day. Okay, it's called JC Pack. Okay, let us just search for it in this way. There we go. As you can see, it's called JC's Amateur Pack, Engine Pack. You are going to subscribe to that one using the bottom plus sign, and you are also going to use the sound effects pack. Okay, you are also going to click on the bottom right of it. Okay, there we go, and this is basically just about it with the Steam mods. Now, very important is the trailers pack, because this is what we use to drive around and ensure that we have the particular trailer that we are looking for that day, and we also have the BHP VTC mod trailer. Okay, so what you're going to do is, I'll leave the link in the description, and you are going to click on the link, and I'll show you everything step by step. First of all, it is the BHP VTC skin mod. Okay, then you click on this on the link in the description. So as you can see, it's going to require you to do 2 actions in order for you to unlock the link. Okay, number 1 is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and as you can see, it's taking me straight to it. It says, are you sure you want to subscribe to 17's tutorials? Just click on subscribe. Okay, there we go. You don't have to do all of this other things. Okay, and as you can see, it's counting that you have already done, you have completed the first task. Then the next one is to like the video. Okay, this is a video for another map that we sometimes use. So what you want to do is, you want to watch the entire video, but if you want to do it in the future, that's also okay. For now, just like the video, because this is the requirement to download. Then you can close this. So as you can see, now it says unlock the link, unlock progress 2 out of 2. As you can see, it's already done, and there we go. You are on your way to joining the BHP convoy. You are a step closer. Okay, go down here, create a download link, and then just say download. Okay, it's very small, 5.5 megabytes. Download it. So the next one is the trailers pack as promised. Okay, so the trailers pack, you also click on the link in the description, and if you have not yet subscribed, maybe this is a, what do you call this, this is a different, you are just looking for the trailers pack, so you click on subscribe. Okay, as you can see, you've already subscribed, so there's nothing for you to do. Okay, then you will close, and also click on like a video. It's still the same video. Go ahead, you can already see you've already liked the video, so you don't have to do any other thing. Just close it, and as you can see, it's counted as the action is done. Then you click unlock the link as well. You go down, wait for 5 seconds. Then you click on download. Okay, it's about 704 megabytes, so you want to wait for it to finish downloading. As you can see, for me it's taking some time. Okay, it's about 2 minutes for me to download this. It's still a little bit of time, but this is the video, and this is how you install Steam mods and the mods that we usually use in the BHP family. Okay, so now we are moving on to the final steps on how to activate the mods so that they are there in the convoy. Okay, so now that it is downloaded, okay, what you want to do is you want to go to your downloads folder and take the 2 downloads that you have downloaded right now, right click on them, then just say cut, go to your documents, Euro Truck Simulator 2, and in your mod folder paste the 2 files in there. Okay, as you can see, it's already there. So now the next thing that we want to do is activate the mods so that you can join the convoys, right? So you want to search for your game or go to your desktop, however you open your game, and open the game Euro Truck Simulator 2. Okay, let's give it a while it is opening up. And if you have made it this far in the video, please do leave a comment in the comment section and just tell me if this video is helping you out. Okay, this is how I am going to know that this is very good for you. Okay, so let us choose another profile for us to do this. Okay, okay, let's use Rota. Yeah. Okay, so when you are going to install the mods now, you will see it says this is my Rota profile. Okay, maybe let me use 17, and then go to the mods. Okay, as you can see, there are no active mods that are there yet. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to now go and look. Remember, you are looking on your phone and you are doing this on your computer or on your laptop. So what you want to do is you want to look at the mod order. Okay, and for an example, you see at the bottom it is written no damage, so this is where all your mods are going to appear. Okay, this is where all of them are going to appear. So maybe you see no damage first, go on the search bar and search for no damage. As you can see, it is this one here, no damage by Rasmusol. Okay, double click on it, it's going to be in there. As you can see, active mods. Then next one is realistic truck physics. Okay, realistic truck physics, very important, version 9.0.8. double click on it. Then the next thing you want is mortal and cash. Okay, there it is, it's appearing. Double click on it, and you are going to do this for the entire process or all the mods that are required for that particular convoy. As you know, the mod order is always sent into the group, and so in the link of the description I'll also leave the link of the group in case you want to join the BHP family, to find everything there. Next one, let's do the Yara. Okay, we're just gonna try and do as many as possible, and then we'll add lastly, let's say the BHP VTC gaming. So there you go. You want to add them like this, so you see they are appearing. Okay, they are active. You want to confirm everything, then say you select a profile. Okay, so once you continue with career, this is a bonus step for somebody who does not know how to join the convoys. Okay, so once you enter your career, you come to the convoy lobby and you click on it, and in the search bar above where my mouse is, just type in the session ID 76656119936244316/101. Okay, and you will wait for it to finish fetching the sessions, and as soon as it is done, you will click on, let us just wait for it, it's taking a little bit of time. Okay, so here are the sessions that are currently on. Now, right now, they do not have any convoy that is on, but this is the session ID. What you will do is you will click on the search bar here, or on the search icon rather, and once you have finished searching, it should appear as BHP convoy on the top, okay, or BHP gaming. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and thank you so much, and hope to see you in the convoys when we are recording and when we are streaming. From me, 17 in 17's tutorials, it is bye. God bless you.